Better late than ever. If you want to see what I got in my Boxy base, just keep on watching. Hello all and welcome back to my channel. Hi if you're new here, my name is Victoria. Nice to meet you. I do videos about anything and everything. So sorry that this video is super freaking late. Those of you that know, I went back into figure skating, and yesterday, the 17th, I had my first figure skating test in close to 20 years. It's been a hot minute, and let me just say, the anxiety was strong. Okay, so there's that part. First things first, the winner of the surprise 200 subscriber prize giveaway had not gotten back. I gave it since Halloween, and so what I am going to do is that I will have another drawing for the prize for that. So this is going to be I don't know what happened here, but the Stellar Impact Morphe palette, along with the Miss Piggy collection lipstick in, I think it's Who Moi, I think, or Moi, which is the color. Okay, so we're going to do that giveaway after I receive my premium box, and you know how I roll. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to go into my Boxy Charm box and open it up. I see some goodies. And so it's on invite only, and there's the Beauty Bash. I think also too, starting, if it hasn't already started yet, there's a friends and family thing as well, and I'm going to go ahead and post the invite link / code down below. And Michaela is laughing like a hyena, so sorry not sorry, it is what it is. So first thing is first, Violet Voss Violet Sunshine Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. So that's what this little guy is right here. This runs for $37. So Violet Sunset Palette, magical colors of the sunset. So I'm imagining like oranges and purples and such. So there's mix and match, shimmers, metallics, and then these are also pigments. Ooh, okay, so they're simple enough, but still colors that you can downplay or make as bold as usual. I'm looking at this gal right here, Violet Sunset. It's got a pretty decent formula for the shimmer. And yeah, what you see is definitely what you get. Let's do a matte. So we're going to do this color here, the Sunset. That feels like silk. It definitely feels like silk. So let's see. Okay, it is kind of chalky. I'm not sure if you can see that. I mean, like, I was able to see it on my hand, but again, I don't have any why am I having a brain fart? Primer potion, like eyeshadow primer on there, on my hand. Let's do the champagne color. And let's put that here. So definitely, at least with the shimmers, you get what you expect. I mean, look, I still have enough for that color there as well. So I can only imagine if you use an eyeshadow primer, how bold these colors are, and what you see is what you get. So that's super exciting. Second thing I have here, Hanalei Matte Bronzer. That's this gal right here. $25. Glow Like a Hawaiian Goddess. Cruelty-free natural matte bronzer. You know what? Let's put some on the face. As usual, I only have my eyebrows done and some mascara. Oh, it's pretty and it's cute and it's little. And so it's very pretty. Plastic. This is what that looks like. That should go, right? So let's grab our little brush, our little brushy brush, and put a little, let's see if we can contour a little bit. Or it's a little bronzer. So let's warm the cheeks up a little bit. So we're using our little Marc Jacobs guy here. Let's give ourselves some warmth. And again, bare skin, bare faced. Definitely adds some warmth. It is matte. And so sometimes with matte colors that are bronzers or contours can make you look kind of like muddy. I don't feel that with it. Like I actually get like a good warmth with this. What do you guys think? I think it would give me a nice little touch of sun. I normally like the bronzers with a little bit of shimmer or a little bit of something to it, so that way it's not so flat. But I'm surprised. This has some really good color to it. And so now, eyeshadow wise, let's take a look at our palette. I'm going to do something really simple on the eyes. And so let's take this Desert Sand as our transition color. Desert Sand again. And I'm sure because I'm not using an eyeshadow primer, I forgot that there's pigment, pressed pigment in here. My eyelids are going to be stained. Okay, so this is a nice color here. And then just because I like that violet sunset, let's just press that into the eyes. That is a gorgeous color. And I think I'm going to do this peach color. Well, it's called peach. It looks like a little gold color, but I'm going to do that right in the center for a bit of pop. I think that I'm going to use my finger for that though. We'll see. Let's see how that works. So that's this color here. Oh, pigment, yes. I'm telling you, the shimmers on this thing is on point. So I'm thinking that definitely is the palette for sunset. This reminds me of like the colors of Hawaii, a Hawaiian sunset, only because of the oranges and the fuchsias and such like that. But I really like it. I like it. So there you have it. This is color without, and I'm going to use the vanilla, by the way, for the brow bone. This is color without eyeshadow primer. So there you go. So there's that. All right, so third thing here. Oh, imagine that shit. So Ace Beauty eyeshadow amplifying base. So I could have so used this here. This is Base Light. So eyeshadow primer. Let's see here. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay. And it's in light, so I'm curious. I'm curious if it's like the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in Eden, and how it is that peachy color. So we're going to use, yeah, so, well, not peachy, but you know, that has like a nude. So that way, if you do use a color, you'll get that color but amplified. So let's go into that violet sunset again. After that gets put on there. And now let's go ahead and amplify that. So look at how much more pronounced the color is here versus without the base in there. So I'm thinking that, yeah, that would have been really cool to try there, but meh, it is what it is. The primer or the eyeshadow amplifying base is $14.99. So we're going to have to try that at a different time with several upcoming tutorials using these products. Okay, fourth, Trust Fund Beauty Better Than Therapy Oil. This is $18. It's rough out there. So this is vitamin E for TLC with your lips. Gives you ultra juicy look. Can be used alone or a topper on lipsticks. So I'm curious if this is supposed to be like, ooh, okay, so that's what that looks like. It's clear, but I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a shimmer or something along those lines inside of it. It's not like a hooker type of shimmer, but it's very subtle. And look at this applicator. So it definitely is like doe footy. So let's see. It smells like there's a vanilla hint or like a sweet hint. It's not sticky. It actually feels really good on the lips. It feels really nice. All right, so we have to give this a go. This is nice and smooth. 8 men at you. And the last thing I have here is the Kate Somerville. This is the goat milk moisturizing cleanser. This is $40. Saying that it's gentle daily, so I could imagine, or I can imagine that this could possibly be used for people that have sensitive skin. It says that it's creamy formula, non-foaming, so yeah, so it's kind of like, it definitely is a milk cleanser. It'll melt the makeup and whatever other impurities are in your skin, tightens the pores without or not tightens the pores. It keeps your skin from getting really, really tight or irritated. So this will be something. It's a nice big bottle. This is what it looks like here. I'm all about smells. Oh, it's sealed. But I'm all about smells. There's a faint something to it, but it just smells really clean, but like but milky. I don't know how to describe it. Like it's if you've ever smelled like a cafe au lait, but without it smelling like coffee, it just smells like just milky. I don't know. You'd have to try it or go somewhere and like smell it and everything, but this thing, we'll have to give this a go. Yeah, see, sulfate free, clinically tested to be safe for sensitive skin. So overall, looking at price point here, this comes out to $130 worth of product for my November base box. So that'll be exciting. Stay tuned for my upcoming tutorials. We're going to do a few tutorials for the month of November. That's 1. 2, we're going to do the premium unboxing. And 3, we're going to do the giveaways. Okay, so the November giveaway, which is, something that we normally do. But then also, 2, the other giveaway, since my other person who entered and won hadn't got back to me in 18 days. So the giveaway for my 200 subscriber point, and we're going to be giving away the Morphe palette, highlighting palette with the Miss Piggy lipstick from Ciate. All right, so thank you for your love and support. You take care now and just stay tuned, okay? Bye.